We've just got across to this island that's separated by a huge gap behind me that we put a zip wire across. And in some ways that journey, which is slightly dangerous I suppose, we've got all the rope systems, but there's a sense of making a bit of a dangerous passage, might just be part of the tradition of this place, the island we're on, because often these places were set outside the local community, outside the structures that were on the mainland, and often they were used by monks and perhaps before them for ritual purposes in the Bronze Age, Iron Age, and then later in the medieval period. So they found Irish pins here from the medieval period, and that might mean that there may have been monks here as well. And so what we're here to do over 3 days is see if we can find out the historical periods of occupation on this strange and amazing island site. And behind me there is a cliff-top fort, a rath, and we're going to be looking at that as well to see if there's any connection date-wise between that and what's going on here. The reason we think it's worth making all this effort for is because these places are usually very interesting. This is facing out into the ocean. Probably the coast of Ireland is out there somewhere, and this represents one of the fascinating locations that archaeologists don't often get a chance to come to. It's been unspoilt because it's been virtually cut off, and so we're going to be spending the usual 3 days. I hope you're able to join us off and on the blog, and we're hoping that we get some good weather, because if this place starts being rained on and the winds start blowing, we're going to find ourselves in an interesting state. So I hope you enjoy the blog and you can stick with us, and we'll be giving you more reports each time we make the journey out to this island.